shit, for real. So thank you guys so much. Once again, we are Catch Your Breath. We'll see you guys next time. We love you. Stick around for Imminence.